Hello everyone, a very good morning to you all. I guess everybody is safe and doing fine at home. So myself, I am Kalyani D. I work as a UX faculty at Imagine XP. So here I am to decode or clear certain things out about a myth which is defined as design is about following visual trends. So for this, I would love to say that look at the other side of it. So when we talk about following the visual trends, it is more to that we are analyzing towards understanding what is the trend in visual tools or understanding visual tools. So that is like the end point of it. So the beginning, that where we start the fundamentals, is on a very different stage. I mean to say that it's on the other side of it. So when I said in the beginning that look at the other side of it, so this is where it starts. So when I say the beginning of it, it all starts from the design part. So the thought that you want to create something, the thought process towards analyzing and understanding the consumers, the users, and empathizing with them by creating something for what is required and what is their need is at most important. So over there, it is more about getting connected with the users, conducting research, understanding the focus group, then understanding more of user experience and user interface. So to that, it is a little lot when we talk about the connecting points that are interlinked with that. So there are certain verticals and segregation which happens in design, as design is a vast field, and the word define is not so simple, or it is not that you would get it for the first time. So one has to be creative and innovative to dig deep inside and understand the actual meaning of it. So how would you create something if you don't know what is research, if you don't understand users, if you don't understand what is a product, what is a service? Then more towards connecting the market and the consumer is a vital role. So in between, we as designers, it is important for us to understand and study what is required for the present scenario and empathize with that and find out the gap area and then try to communicate to the customers, right? So how do you communicate with the customers? So at the end, when you have created something, you have to try to communicate your design through certain aspects, like a pictorial representation, an illustration, or infographics, or I would say the series of graphical representations. So that is where consumer wants to see certain photographs or videos or certain tools which are important in terms of visual representation tools to communicate with them. So for that, yes, you have to follow the trend, but it is more important that you understand design in a manner that it has other verticals which are more important. I hope I have answered and cleared out the myth about following visual design trends. Thank you.